guys, what's going on? It's your girl Anna, this time with a white background, and by background I mean sheet, and that's why it's wrinkly. I'm going to be doing another special effects look, of course, that's why you're here. We're going to be doing an infested face, and by infested I mean with spiders. I made these eggs using plastomorph. And so if you don't know what plastomorph is, it's this plastic that you put into boiling water. Once you hit a certain temperature, the plastic turns clear. You can take it out and then turn it into whatever you want. And then you leave it out and it hardens back into plastic. So I have to do this relatively quick because when the sun goes down, I have to go back to work. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's do it. Bruise wheel that I have. I'm actually gonna take the yellow to give it a more infected look.
Hey kids, want to hear the story of the Itsy Bitsy spider? Here it is. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Let's sing together now. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now it's your turn. Give it a try.
The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Out came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider crawled up the spout again. Wow, that was lovely. One more time together. The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the spout.